Good day everyone, I am Coach Junie of the Stayfit Box Cebu and welcome to another episode of My Fitness only here at My TV. Today we're going to be doing another calisthenics workout, so that means it's all going to be bodyweight movements, bodyweight exercises, no need for extra weights, no barbells, dumbbells or plates, just your own bodyweight for this workout. And you can do this workout in the comfort of your own homes. All you need is the floor, a couple of benches, chairs, and you're good to go. And to make this day or workout even more fun, I decided to make this a partner workout. So today I am joined by one of our athletes in the Stayfit box, Sai. Sai is going to be doing the workout with me. So we're going to be doing two parts of today's workout. First is going to be the core, which I think is one of the most important, or the most important thing that we should work out is our core to make our body strong overall. So that's going to be the first part, and it will also serve as a good warm-up for the next movement or the next routine, which is the push movements for our push muscles. I decided to just put push movements for our workout today since we are doing it in our own home, so it's more accessible and more doable for everybody and for all of you. So this is going to be a follow video with us, so grab your water and then get ready for the workout. Let's go get it.
Okay, now we're gonna start the workout proper for today. So we start with the core. So it's gonna be 4 movements. We start with the knee hugs. So go in a hollow position, then pull your chest or your knees towards your chest and hug your knees, and then go back to the hollow position. Do that 10 times. Then rest for 5 to 10 seconds. Then go to the next movement, hollow rocks. This will hit your whole core, give you core stability and strength. It's upper core, mid core, and lower core. Do it for 10 repetitions as well. Then rest for 5 to 10 seconds. Then proceed to the next movement. With the next movement, jackknives. Another great core workout to hit your overall core muscles. 10 repetitions. Squeeze your core and extend. Then rest 5 to 10 seconds before we go to the last movement of the core cycle, which is going to be the basic core workout, which is the lower plank, but in my opinion one of the best core workouts out there to stabilize your core, give you the hypertrophy and the aesthetic of the core that you want, and most importantly give you the strength of the core that you need. So make sure to activate your core muscles while doing this. Do not arch your back. Stabilize your core. Squeeze your core, squeeze your glutes. But of course, even if you're squeezing your muscles, don't forget to breathe. 45 seconds, and then rest 1 minute before going to the next cycle. Repeat this 3 times to complete your core workout for today.
after the core movements, now we go to our actual routine, guys. So for the routine for today, first movement is going to be explosive push-ups. Okay, for the explosive push-ups, I want you to control your eccentric movement, the going down movements, explode as fast and as hard as you can. So that's going to be working on the strength and the muscle building. So Sai is going to perform how explosive push-ups are done. So you can do this whether on a full push-up position, high plank position, go down, explode, there you go. All right, and then if that's too hard for you, you can go drop on your knees and then do the same movement. There you go. All right, so you can repeat 8 to 12 or to 15 repetitions, so we can keep the repetitions in the hypertrophy range, 8 to 15. As I've said earlier, most of the movements, or if not all the movements today, are going to be push movements. So we're going to be focusing on the push muscles. So these are the muscles, the shoulders, chest, and the triceps. So the next movement after the explosive push-ups is going to be the decline push-ups. Okay, so for the decline push-ups, you're going to be elevating your legs in any elevated object that you can use for elevating your feet. So we're going to be hitting. That's how you're going to do the decline push-ups. It's going to be hitting more on the upper chest, shoulders, and the triceps. Next movement is going to be the dips. In my opinion, is one of the most complete, one of the most basic push movements, but one of the most complete ones, and one of the best ways to increase your pushing strength. So you're going to be hitting your shoulders, your chest, and your triceps still with these muscles. So with this workout, we're going to be using a couple of benches, a couple of chairs, so we can perform the dips the proper way. Okay, so for this movement, make sure you stabilize yourself first on the bench, and then control yourself, lower it down, parallel position, and then back up. Control down, and then back up. Next movement is going to be the push-ups. This, for me, in my opinion, is the most effective all-around body weight workout. So it works on all body weight strength, most specifically the chest, shoulders, and triceps, and your core. So the push-ups. Okay, so proceed. Go on a high plank position, then lower yourself. Make sure you control yourself in the movement. Down, back up, squeeze yourself, and you're on top. If this is a kind of a hard variation for you for now, you can go on your knees and do the same push-up. Good, slowly down, and then up and squeeze. Next movement is going to be incline push-ups. So for the incline push-ups, we're going to be elevating our hands, putting it on an elevated surface. This is the opposite of the decline push-ups. So this is going to be working on the lower chest, shoulders, and the triceps. Okay, so the incline push-ups, hands on any elevated object, then high plank position, and then do the push-ups. This is a much more easier variation of the push-ups. Takes away the whole range of motion. Next movement is going to be diamond push-ups. This is one of my favorite pushing movements as well. It hits very good deep on your chest, but mainly hits and focuses on the triceps and of course the shoulder. So the diamond push-ups. Okay, so for the diamond push-ups, make sure you close your hands together and form like a diamond shape or triangular shape to put it close, and then do the push-up movement. Good. If that is very hard for you for now, you can go on your knees as well, scale it down, but the movements and the effects of the muscles are still the same. Kneeling diamond push-ups, still as effective as the diamond push-ups. Next is going to be the tiger bends. The tiger bends is another great body weight workout, focusing mainly on the triceps, but still hits all the push muscles. Okay, the beauty of calisthenics is everything that you do, all the movements you do, you always work on your core. So that's the beauty of calisthenics. Okay, for the tiger bends, position your hands a little more forward to make it a little easier. So the more inward your hands are, the harder it gets. So just bend your elbows towards the floor and go back up. That's how you do the tiger bends. Focus more on the tricep muscles. Okay, the last movement for today's workout or today's routine is going to be the bench dips. This is one of the easiest variations of the push movements, but yet very effective, mainly focusing on the tricep muscle. So once again, put your hands on any elevated object. Could be a chair, could be a bag, whatever, and then do this position. Slowly go down and push up. Squeeze your triceps when you go on top to give that full range of motion and stretch on your muscle.
Okay, now rest 2 minutes. Repeat 2 or 3 more times to give you a great upper body push workout. You can adjust the routine based on your level. If it's too easy, increase the reps. If it's a bit hard, you can decrease the reps. But make sure you choose a challenging number to make you progress even faster. Build strength and muscle faster. Rest while your partner is doing the movement, or if you're doing this alone, rest 30 seconds, then proceed to the next movement.
Let's go! Let's go!
Once again, thank you very much for joining us today in our workout, guys. Hope you had a great time working out with us. We had a great time working out with you in the comfort of your homes. Stayfit Box Cebu will be opening real soon. We are located at Peace Valley, Lahug, or you can just message us for further inquiries. But before that, or even after that, we are still going on with our online classes. So we offer everything from functional bodybuilding, functional fitness, calisthenics, Olympic lifting, name it. We got whatever you want for us. Just message us, so get in touch with us so we can talk to you more about the programs that we offer. So once again, this is Coach Junie from the Stayfit Box Cebu. You've been watching My Fitness at My TV. See you soon.